Today we are going to discuss the relative atomic mass. So what is this relative atomic mass? Relative atomic mass is the method in the chemistry by which we can calculate the atomic mass of the atoms. Since we know the mass of the proton is 1.67 into 10 raised power minus 27 kg. So this is the mass of a proton. An atom contains the electron, proton and the neutrons. The mass of the electron is negligible as compared to the proton. Now let's take the hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom is the only element in the periodic table which contains an electron and a proton but does not contain a neutron. So mass of the hydrogen atom is only due to the presence of the proton. Since the mass of proton is 1.67 into 10 raised power minus 27 kg, so we can say the mass of hydrogen atom is equal to 1.67 into 10 raised power minus 27 kg, that is equal to the mass of proton. Now in chemistry, we simplify the things, that is, instead of writing this 1.67 into 10 raised power minus 27 kg, we write this is equal to AMU, that is atomic mass unit. What is atomic mass unit? Atomic mass unit is equal to the mass of proton. So if mass of proton is equal to 1 atomic mass unit, then mass of hydrogen atom is equal to 1 AMU. Now John Dalton was the scientist. He used this hydrogen atom as a reference element and calculated the atomic mass of the other elements. The mass of other elements calculated using hydrogen atom is called as the relative atomic mass of these very elements. For example, if we have the water molecule has the mass that is equal to 18 AMU. So we can calculate the mass of the oxygen, which comes to be equal to 16 AMU. Thus, using the hydrogen atom as a reference, we can calculate the mass of the oxygen atom, which is equal to 16 AMU, that is called as the relative atomic mass of oxygen atom. Now, since this hydrogen atom is not reactive, means it does not react with all other elements, hence it's very difficult to calculate the relative atomic mass of all the elements. So what we do, we use another element to calculate the atomic mass. Instead of hydrogen, we use the other element, that is carbon. We use the carbon. Now carbon is used, carbon 12 is used as a reference to calculate relative atomic mass. Why? Because carbon reacts with all other elements. That's why it is used as a reference to calculate the atomic mass, and it gives us the relative atomic mass of the other elements. We represent the relative atomic mass here by the RAM, relative atomic mass. Now if we take hydrogen and the carbon, for example, if we have a balance, this contains the hydrogen and this is the carbon. We found that one atom of carbon equals 12 atoms of hydrogen. 12 atoms of hydrogen means mass of one atom of carbon is equal to 12 atoms of hydrogen, means 12 atoms of hydrogen. So mass of one atom of carbon is equal to 12 atoms of hydrogen. Now we are going to use the carbon instead of hydrogen to calculate the atomic mass of other elements, which gives us the relative atomic mass. Now how can we calculate the relative atomic mass using this carbon 12 isotope? Relative atomic mass is used, can be calculated, that is mass of one atom of element, mass of one atom of element divided by 1 by 12th of mass of carbon 12 isotope. Carbon 12, mass of one atom of carbon 12 isotope. So this is the method by which we can calculate the relative atomic mass. So we have to memorize this very formula. What is the formula? Relative atomic mass of any element can be calculated using this formula, that is mass of one atom of element divided by 1 by 12th of mass of one carbon 12 isotope. Let's use this for the carbon. Now how can we calculate? Since we know carbon 12, that is isotope of carbon, how can we calculate the relative atomic mass? Let's see. Mass of one atom of carbon, so that is one atom of carbon divided by 1 by 12th of mass of one carbon 12, that is 12. 12 into 12, this gets cancelled. So mass of one carbon 12 isotope is equal to 1. So this we use as a reference. Now if we are going to calculate the relative atomic mass of oxygen, one atom of oxygen, that is equal to 16 divided by 1 by 12th, 1 by 12 into 12. 12 and 12 gets cancelled, so that is equal to 60 AMU, atomic mass unit. So carbon is used to calculate the atomic mass of the other elements, hence it is used as a reference to calculate the atomic mass